Do you want to see some wow factor in budget decorating? In this video, I'll show you how I chose thrifted items to add excitement to our very boring deck area, making it feel like a resort. I'm going to show you that it's not how much you spend on decorating, but how you tie it all together. Stick around till the end, because I have a show-stopping lighting effect that will only cost you around $20. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne, and I'm going to show you the exciting makeover of my deck area. And what's really great about it is I did it on an extreme budget. My goal for this makeover is to add an upscale casual glamour with some surprise elements that will make guests say wow, all while keeping it very affordable. I'm keeping the 2 sofas, the cushions, the fire table, and of course the hot tub. I started off by staining the fence. A handy trick that I use is buying a solid color stain and making it more transparent by adding a little water to it. Not only do I save a ton of money by stretching out the stain, but I can also customize the transparency according to my design. These cushions aren't perfect, but I know from home staging that you can distract from the negatives by showcasing the positives. A big obstacle in this makeover was the hot tub lid. I used paints, putties, and decorative paint techniques to get it to the point where it's no longer an eyesore because it just wasn't worth it to spend $600 to replace it. This $2.99 wall hanging was the inspiration for my entire design. I transformed all other items, giving them the sparkle or color to coordinate with it. This alabaster item was only $1.99, and I found an amazing use for it. I got this wooden box for $2.99. This wood and metal flower was $2.99. I got 2 of these wall hangings for $4.99 each. I got 3 of these for $4.99 each. This fancy bowl was only $2.99. $4.99 was all I paid for this black shelf. This is a tissue box holder, and I'm going to use it as a planter. I got this whole tea light set for $4.99. I also used miscellaneous items that I already had on hand, and of course, those were all originally extremely good deals as well. I have a great spray painting tip that you are going to love. I want to redo these hangers for our robes by the hot tub, but I want to do them very precise. The only way you can do that with spray paint is by following this technique that I discovered one day. I just tried it and it worked, and it's amazing. I've been using it ever since. This is a plastic lid to something. I'm planning on throwing it away. What you do, in this case, take a makeup sponge. It works very well. You have to work fast with this technique. You've got like 5 to 6 seconds total. Take your spray paint, spray it in your throwaway lid or container or whatever you have. It's kind of a windy day for spray painting. Okay, so wait till that breeze goes. I'm going to spray a little bit on the lid. And check out how quickly I can make that spray paint go exactly where I want it. Okay, so check out the leaves. Look how quickly I did that with spray paint. I got 2 candle sconces at Goodwill for $4.50 each. I was planning on using them with candles, but then I had a better idea. I used my dear mom's vintage canning jars to make solar lights. I can still feel my mom's love. It's just about time for the big reveal. Did you know that you can order weatherproof pillow covers on Amazon? The small geometric ones were on sale for 2 for $10. The larger ones were a little more, but the black, white, and gold colors fit so perfectly that they were worth it. I'll put a link in the description so that you can check them out. One of the reasons why I put a shelf right here is because finally we now have a place to put our glasses when we're in the hot tub. This fish and the tree bark are casual touches to bring in the rustic parts of our yard. Remember these? There's my $2.99 inspiration piece. I coordinated every item and repainted as needed to intermix the metallic, sparkle, flowers, and classic pattern motifs to unify them into one cohesive design. Remember this from my last video? I had no idea what I was going to do with it. This fancy Goodwill bowl fit my design to a T, and then I turned it over to look at the price, and I said, oh my goodness, that could be a lampshade. I added sparkle lights for nighttime. I got really good deals, and I only spent around $22 on all of the solar lighting. The nighttime lighting is just spectacular, but keep watching because there's still a grand finale. Wait for it. This light show was brought to you courtesy of my under $20 weatherproof Christmas projection lights, where I intentionally chose a non-holiday pattern so that I could use it year-round. Let me know in the comments which part of the makeover you like the most, and if you like creative, low-cost ideas, I hope you'll subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.